Welcome to this masterclass on using ChatGPT, specifically designed for senior technicians and engineering supervisors. In this video, we will cover the foundations of setting up your account and adopting the right mindset to leverage this tool effectively in your daily operations. It is essential to understand the distinction between a calculator and generative AI. While a calculator follows exact, fixed rules, AI calculates logical patterns and learns from vast data, functioning as an incredibly patient, knowledgeable apprentice for your technical tasks. Let's look at the ChatGPT interface. Use the New Chat button to start fresh for different tasks. The sidebar lets you track your history, the central chat window manages your active conversation, and the input box at the bottom is where you enter your specific prompts. Before you begin, remember these two critical rules. First, never input company secrets, financials, or sensitive client names. Always generalize your details. Second, always verify everything, as I can provide incorrect information with high confidence. You are the final authority. To get expert output, use the RCTC framework. Define the AI's role, provide relevant context about your equipment and situation, state your specific task clearly, and set constraints for length and format to ensure the response meets your needs. Moving away from a search engine mindset is crucial. Instead of a vague query, use the RCTC framework to provide details. Speak to the AI as if you are training an apprentice, and iterate on your prompts until the output matches your technical requirements. AI is excellent for processing raw technical notes. You can provide rough information about equipment issues or maintenance delays, and let the AI translate that technical jargon into polished, professional emails suitable for your operations manager. For maintenance and planning, use the AI to draft detailed checklists, sequence complex repair steps, or even cross-reference historical data for resource allocation. Always ensure safety notes like LODO or load limits are included and verified. Use the AI as a diagnostic partner. Input obscure error codes to help isolate issues, or ask it to generate logical troubleshooting sequences and Excel formulas. It can help you distinguish between internal drive faults and mechanical binding issues efficiently. You can also use AI to clean and organize messy data. Whether you need to sort inventory lists, extract specific lubrication steps from a long manual, or create formal standard operating procedures, AI can distill large amounts of data into actionable steps. To save time, use custom instructions to give the AI a, quote, permanent memory. Specify your role as an industrial engineer and define how it should respond, such as prioritizing structured tables, avoiding fluff, and always emphasizing safety compliance. Always follow the assess routine for verification. Check accuracy against your physical equipment, verify safety protocols, ensure site constraints are met, review the physics and chemistry for reality, simplify for your team, and take professional ownership of the final result. In summary, use AI for drafting communications and planning tasks, but keep your focus on providing clear roles and deep context. Most importantly, always verify numerical parameters, specifications, and safety clearances. You have the final say on all technical output.